So this is the Telangana CBSE question paper. So this is the 10th class CBSE question paper. So I'm going to solve all the problems which are given in this question paper one by one. All the problems. So how many problems are there? I'll try to solve all the problems. And I can see question number 1. In the given figure of PA is a tangent. What is meant by tangent? Tangent is nothing but line touches at one point on a circle, that is called as tangent. What is meant by tangent? Circle which is touching at one point, that is called as a tangent. Yes, and I can see the figure right over here. Now wherever you see the figure here clearly, the tangent is touching at one point. I can see clearly here, tangent it is touching at one point. If you see the figure, I am going to draw the figure right over here. See the figure. If I am going to draw the figure like this, so it is touching at one point. So this is the center of the circle and this is the radius. Yes, so already here the diameter is given. This is 115 degrees, and inside right angle triangle we are getting 90 degrees, and one more angle we have to find out. What is that angle? We have to find it out. 90 degrees. Yes, so right over here, if you see this line, this is a diameter and these are the two adjacent angles. So what is meant by adjacent angle? Two adjacent angles makes a linear pair. So if I am taking this value x and y, now see 115 degrees plus x is equals to 180 degrees, and x is equals to, take to right hand side, 180 degrees minus 115 degrees. So x value becomes how much? 65 degrees. So x value becomes 65 degrees. Right angle in triangle is equals to 180 degrees. 90 degrees plus 65 degrees, which is already become 155 degrees. If you add 25 degrees to this, it becomes 180 degrees. So the answer for this question is 125 degrees. Yes. Now see the second question. A piece of wire 20 centimeters is a piece of wire is 20 centimeters long, is bent into the form of an arc of a circle with a radius 60 by pi. The angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle is how many degrees it is going to subtend? Yes, if anyone knows the answer, please tell me the answer. Yes, if anyone knows the answer, please tell me the answer. How many degrees it is going to get? The piece of paper, the piece of wire 20 centimeters long is bent in a circle and which is made in the form of an arc of a circle. Now we have to find out. First is given, length is given. The piece of wire means length is given how much? 20 centimeters, and the radius is given 60 by pi centimeters. We have to find out the angle suspended by the arc. So what is that? Length of the wire equals to radius into angle suspended by the arc. Theta, here we are going to find out the angle degrees. So theta is equal to, length is how much? 20. So theta into, sorry, L value is 20 is equal to radius 60 by pi into theta. So theta value will become so much, 21 za 23 za. So theta value will become pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees. So length of the arc is given by how much? 60 degrees. Three numbers are in arithmetic progression and the sum is 30. Find the middle term. We have to find out the middle term. So we are writing the three arithmetic progressions are a plus d, a minus d. Sum, if you want to do the sum, all the three numbers is equal to 30. So plus d minus d will be get cancelled. 3a value becomes how much? 30. So a value we are getting how much? 10. Now see, an arc of a circle of length 5 pi and the sector it bounds has an area of 20 pi. We have to find out the radius. Yes, if we want to find out the length of the arc, we are how much you are going to get the answer. An area of circle of length 5 pi. So length is given as 5 pi and the area is given how much? 20 pi. So first we have to find out the angle value. Area is equals to 1 by half r square into area of the angle. Arc of the length we have to find out. Now see, first we have to find out L is equal to r into theta. Theta value becomes L by r. So theta is equals to, we know the length. We have to find out the length first of all. Length is 5 pi by r. Theta value we got. So area is how much? Already given, 20 pi is equals to 1 by 2 into a radius. Radius is how much? Radius we are going to write as it is r square and theta value 5 pi by r square. Theta will be get cancelled. So 5 1 za 5 4 za 4 2 za 8. 4 2 za 8. Pi will be get cancelled. So r value we are getting 8 centimeters. So the answer is 8 centimeters. So already we have substituted here. If x value is equals to 1, y value is equals to 2 is the solution of the pair, the linear equation. So a value we are getting 8, b value we are getting, a value we are getting 4, b value we are getting 8. So 2a is equals to b is the correct answer. Why? Because if you substitute 2 value, a value 2 4 is 8, 8 is equals to 8. Yes. 2 points are shown in the graph. The number, so how many zeros of a polynomial? Very simple. The touching point on the x-axis here 1 point, here 1 point. Totally we are getting the answer 2 here. If alpha plus beta is equals to 90 degree, alpha is equals to 2 beta, then cos square alpha plus sin square beta is equals to how many degrees he is asking. Now you can see here. Already we are finding here beta value. If you are going to substitute alpha value, you will get 60 degrees. See, cos square 60 degrees plus 1 sin square 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2 whole square. If you do it, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Finally, we are getting the answer 4 by 4. We are getting the answer 1. A card is selected from a deck of 52 playing cards. The probability of getting a red face card. Red face card, we are getting only how many red face cards? Red color face cards. Red face cards. Red face cards we are getting totally 6. Why? Because face cards are 4 4 4 4 jack, 4 king, 4 queen, 4 jack. In this one 2 black and 2 red. So 2 2 2 6 by 52. 2 3 is a 6, 2 2 is a 4, 2 6 is a 12. We are getting the answer 3 by 26. Yes, here already I did. Alpha comma beta are the zeros of a polynomial. are the zeros of a polynomial such that alpha plus beta equals to minus 2, 3. First we have to find out the a value. A value is 3, b value is 6, c value is k. So sum of the zeros value alpha plus beta value is minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus 6 by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. We got minus 2 alpha plus beta. Then product of the roots. Alpha beta is equals to c by a, that is k by 3. So we got here minus 2 plus k by 3. Now do cross multiplication, or you are sending to right hand side. Both we are getting the same answer. So minus 2 you are taking to right hand side. 3 2 is 6. Minus 2 plus 6 by 3. Where k by 3 value getting 4 by 3. 3 will be get cancelled. K value we are getting 4. Now see, tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta into sec. So the reciprocal of secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Thus reciprocal of cos theta is 1 by secant theta. So in place of 1 by cos theta we are writing secant theta. Secant theta into secant theta will become what? Secant square theta. So secant square, if you write, we know that second identity. What is second identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, but this is reciprocal. If you write reverse you are getting the answer minus 1. So tan square theta minus secant square theta value is minus 1. Which of the following is a rational number between root 3 and root 5? He is asking which of the following number is a rational number between root 3 and root 5. 1 point. Root 3 value we are getting 1.732. Root 5 value we are getting 2.25. So the answer is 1.857142. Here is given HCF value is given. HCF we have to find out the value of n minus m into, we have to find out 28 and 98 HCF. 28 and 98 HCF nearly we are getting 14. This problem we are going to solve in the notebook. Now see, 28 comma 98, 2 table, 2 14 times, 2 4s are, 2 9s are, 7 table, 7 2 times, 7 7 times, 2 into 7 into 2 into 7, 2 2s are 4, 7 7s are 49, 49 4s are 196. So this is LCM. HCF 28 divided by 98, 28 3s are 84. So we are getting 14, 28, 14 2s are 28. So M value we are getting 14, L value we are getting 196. The question is n minus 7m. N value is 196 minus 7 into m value is 14. 196 minus 14 7s are 98. 98 plus you are getting the final answer is 98. So the answer is 98. Now see question number 13. The length of the chord of a circle is equal to the radius, the angle subtended by the chord at the center. If you know the answer, please guess the answer. angle subtended by the arc. He is asking how many degrees. So in the right angle triangle, degree. So we are getting the answer 60 degrees. So the answer is 60 degrees. Now see the number 14. The greatest number which is divided by 70 and 125, leaving remainder 5 and 8. Yes. 13 divided by 70. 13 5s are 65, remainder 5. 13 divided by 13 9s are 117, which leaves the remainder 8. Ladder is foot of the ladder. The ladder is 14 meters. Lean against a wall. Lean against the wall is nothing but which is far away from the wall. The question is very clear that the ladder is 14 meters long, least against the wall. Yes, and if you are drawing the diagram like this, see carefully. Long leans is nothing, slide is lean. Here it is 14 meters, here it is 7 meters. We are at the foot of the ladder, this is 7 meters. We have to find out the opposite side. We know the right angle triangle, opposite square equals to hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. So hypotenuse value is how much? 14 14 the 196. We have to find out the opposite square. 7 7 is 49. So opposite square equals to under root of 196 minus 49. Opposite value we are getting, okay, we are getting 131 47. So it is not required. Here is asking which angle. So adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse we are getting only cos theta. So cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse 7 by 14. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Cos theta value is 1 by 2. So cos is 60 degrees value, we are getting 1 by 2. Now see question number 16. In a triangle, angle B is equals to angle A, angle F is equals to angle C. AB is equals to 3DE. So by angle congruence, by angle congruence, angles are similar but those are not congruent. Why? Because two angles are equal, one side is not equal. Now midpoint of the line segment, midpoint, very simple, midpoint is nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 4 plus 0 by 2 value 11 by 2. So 0 comma 5.5 point lies on the y axis. Now see question number, mode and mean are mode is equals to mode and mean 3 median minus 2 mean. We know the mode value clearly, that mode equals to 2 median minus 3 mean. What is the mode value? Mode equals to 3 median. Mode already is given as 15x is equals to 3 into median. Median we have to find out. Minus 2 into mean value is 18x. 15x is equals to 3 median minus 36x. Minus it becomes, right hand side becomes plus. So 15x plus 36x is equals to 3 median. 51x is equals to 3 median. So 3 table we are going to cancel 51 17 times. So median we are getting the answer is 17x. 17x is the answer which we are getting in the median. Now see assertion and dissertion. Both as A and R are true. Reason R is the correct explanation of 3. Assertion. So what is the assertion given? Two statements are given labeled as and the other is labeled as reason. Select the correct answer to the given A and B. Second one, both assertion A and reason R are true, but R is not the correct answer of the A. So assertion A is true, reason is false. Now see then. Okay, here it is given. Okay, for 19th one option is C. For 20th one, the option is assertion. Because if we join two hemispheres, okay, these are the two hemispheres of same length basis, we get a sphere. Total surface area of a radius is 3 pi r square. No, volume will get. So C is the assertion A is true, but R is not the correct one. Next, the probability of the set of numbers at a random from 1 to 20 is 1. 1 to 20 is 1. Okay. Probability of an event is equal to no, assertion A is false, but R is the correct. Probability of when we are getting the event, when we are getting the probability of an event value is 1. Now see, I'm going to write here from which chapter we got the questions of 1 mark questions. I'm going to write in the straight way. Now see question. So MCQs total 20 we got from which chapters? We have covered. I'll write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. From which chapters they have covered? The first question is tangents. Tangents is nothing but circles. The first chapter we got the MCQs from circle. The piece of wire subtended at the center of the circle. So this is also covered from circle. Arc. Arc is nothing but area related to circle. Second one. The arithmetic. So third question from arithmetic progression. Fourth question is also from area related to circles. Fifth question we got from pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear equation in two variables. This is I think next, sixth question we got from polynomials. And seventh we got from probability. Eighth we got again from polynomials. Ninth is trigonometry. 10th question we got from first chapter, chapter 1, real numbers. And here also same, real numbers. Length of the chord of a circle. Chord of a circle means the 12th question we got from 11th, 12th also rational numbers, 12th also real numbers. 13th we got from circles. 14th question here also we got from real numbers. 15th question applications of trigonometry. 16th question from triangles. 17th question from coordinate geometry. geometry. 18th question we got from statistics. 19th question surface areas and volumes. 20 question we got from probability. So these are the questions which we got from 1 mark questions. From chapter 1, from the chapter 1 we got 3 MCQs, and chapter number 2 we got 2 MCQs. Chapter number 3 we got 1 MCQ. Next, chapter 4 quadratic equation, we didn't got quadratic equation. We got any question? Quadratic equation, any question we got? No, there is no question from the quadratic equation. No. So chapter 5 is arithmetic progression. Chapter 5 1 question. Chapter 6 triangles, we got 1 question. Chapter 7 coordinate geometry, we got 1 question. Chapter 8 is trigonometry. Trigonometry, we got 1 question. Chapter 9 applications of trigonometry, we got 1 question. Chapter 10 circles, we got 2 questions from circle. Chapter 11 is area related to circles. Area related to circles also we got, I think, 2 questions. Next, chapter number 12. Yes, I am writing here. Chapter number 12 is surface areas and volumes. Surface areas and volumes, we got 1 question. Chapter 13 from statistics also we got 1 question. And finally probability we got 2 questions. If you want, you can count the numbers. 3 plus 2 5, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. 3 plus 2 5. Arithmetic progression, we got 1. Area related to circles, we got 2 questions. Circles 1, real numbers 2 3, okay, 3 questions. Chapter 2 polynomials 1 and 2, okay, 2 questions. Pair of linear equation is 2 questions. Yeah, pair of linear equation 1 question. Chapter 4 we didn't got any question. Chapter 5 is arithmetic progression, we got 1 question. Triangles, we got 1 question. Chapter 7 coordinate geometry, we got 1 question. Polynomials, we got 2 questions. Yes, chapter 6, chapter 7. Chapter 8 trigonometry, we got 1 question. Sorry, here chapter 1 we got 4 questions. Chapter 1 4, real numbers 4 questions, polynomials 2 questions, pair of linear equation 2 variable 4 question. There is no question from chapter 4. Chapter 4 no question given, but you will get definitely determinant. On this one we are going to get a question compulsory, that means b square minus 4ac. We are going to get this question. Chapter 5 is arithmetic progression, 6 triangles, 7 coordinate geometry, trigonometry, applications of trigonometry, circles, area related to circles, surface areas, volume, statistics, and last one is the probability. So these are the MCQs which are covered in this chapter. So in the next class I am going to explain all the problems, previous problems of 2 marks as well as. Yes, if you need we can continue our class. Roughly I am going to write which are the questions are repeated for the 2 marks and 4 marks. I think everyone know the question paper pattern. So if you don't know the question paper pattern, I am writing once again question pattern. In the section A, first bit we are getting MCQs 20. So section B, these are 2 marks questions. You need to attempt 5 to the 10. Section C, we are getting 3 marks question. We have to attempt 6, that is 18 marks. Section D, we are getting 6 questions. You have to attempt any 4. Here you are getting 8 questions. You have to attempt 6. Here you are getting 7 questions. You have to attempt any 5 questions. So you have to attempt any 5 for the 20. And case study you are getting section E. 3 questions will be given. Each one carries 4 marks. 4 3s are 12. This is the question paper pattern. So MCQs are 20 you have to write. So 2 marks you are getting 5 questions, that is 10 marks. Next 3 marks questions you have to attempt 6 questions, 18 marks. Next 5 marks you have to attempt only 4 questions, that is 20 marks. And 4 marks 3 questions, that is case based study problems, 12 marks. If you do addition all these 3 numbers, you are going to get 80 marks. This is a complete question paper pattern. Now I'm going to tell roughly from which chapter we got the problems. After that I'm going to solve all the problems. This problem we got from chapter number 2, that is polynomials. And this one we got problem from circles, and this one we got both the problems we got from the triangles. So roughly I am writing, I will solve all the problems later on at a time. Now see, this problem we got from trigonometry, 2 marks, and both the problems we got from trigonometry. This one problem from coordinate geometry. And when it comes to section C, this is 3 marks questions. This is surface areas and volumes, or generally we call it as mensuration. This question we got from probability. Yes, both the questions we got from the probability. Both the problems we got from again trigonometry. Turn the page. Yes, this one from circles, quadrilateral circumscribing side. So circumscribing area related to this problem is also from circles only. Find the ratio dividing the line segment ratio problem. So P of x comma y, for this one we are using the formula m1 x2 plus m2 x mx1 mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, ratio problem when you are getting the ratio. Next here parallelogram means here also we are getting the from the chapter triangles. This one is also from triangles. 5 marks also, both we got from the parallelogram. Yes, triangles only. This question we got from statistics. And how much money did the income? So this is the ratio problems. A 2-digit number and the product. This one is from real numbers. So both the, so this is a given as logically they have given the question. If you turn the page, we are getting in the question number 36, which consists of case study problem. So if you go through the question, these are the 4 questions. Central sector means area related to circle, so it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 parts, so 360 degrees by 10, so each angle is 36 degrees. Find the central angle of the each sector, 36 degrees. Length of the arc, this is the length of the arc we have to find out. We are having the formula. According to that formula, we are going to solve the problem. And the next one, this one, we got the question from applications of trigonometry. And the last one, this one we got from the completing 8th means arithmetic progression. Based on the questions they have given, the problems depends on arithmetic progression. That's it. These are all the problems. If you want all the problems or any extra problems solved from the previous question paper and to get good marks in the examination, please do subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Learn all the chapter easy method how to solve the problem, basic methods, so that in one I'll write definitely that I'll share it how many chapters you have to, easy chapters you have to prepare compulsory. What are the 7 chapters which are very easy, that I'm going to solve all the problems and explain in the easy math. So this is Anil signing off. Thank you everyone. Remaining questions from 21 to 38. So I am going to solve within 2 or 3 days. I am going to upload all the videos. In the next coming class, in the short video, I am going to upload which are the chapters you have to properly thorough, so that you can get 50% of the marks in mathematics. In the easy method, most of the students, those who think that which is a very tough subject, I'll make them very easy to understand the problems. So please stay tuned to our channel. Those share to your friends, like the video and subscribe to our channel compulsory. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you.